Okay, so we've got a live guest on the show today. We've got Areti Mallidou Mckie, who is a health and insurance expert. She's going to be giving us some tips and advice for insurance here in Spain. So hi and welcome to the show, Areti.
Hi, David. Thank you for having me.
Now, Areti, whereabouts are you at the moment?
I'm actually in Fuerteventura because my husband decided to take me on a small weekend trip to celebrate my birthday, which is tomorrow.
Well, lovely. Happy birthday for tomorrow. It's not very nice weather here in Almería today. We've got that red rain at the moment, and the forecast a bit better for the weekend, but not very good here at the moment. What's it like where you are?
Well, it was a bit, the Calima, right? So we have that. We get it a lot in the Canary Islands. I live in Lanzarote, which is right next to Fuerteventura. So we had it really bad these past few weeks. So it's been just a couple since yesterday. The weather's been really nice. The sky's been blue again. So yeah, but we do get it hard when we do get the Calima waves.
Good. So Areti, as most of the listeners know, if you're moving to Spain, you do need health cover here. What sort of health cover is appropriate really for British people? I mean, there's all sorts of different nationalities moving here, obviously, but we're really talking about British people for most of my listeners at the moment. So is there a particular health insurance they need, or is it all the same, or is it just a basic cover? What do people need to be aware of?
Well, if they're coming over with a visa, which is in most cases for UK citizens that they do need to move with the visa, the typical requirement for a visa is a full cover, no co-payment plan, and it has to obviously cover you for emergencies, hospitalizations, diagnostics, the works. So it has to be 100% full cover. You can't have a basic one. And
Areti, one of the questions I had earlier on my website was, what is co-payments? What is that exactly? Can you explain that to us?
Yeah, sure. A co-payment is basically the participation of the client to the cost of health insurance. So when they say that they need to have a no co-payment plan, it means that they just have one unique payment in the beginning of the year. So it has to be, sorry, I forgot to mention, it has to be an annual upfront payment. But that also is good. It's a good thing because it takes out the stress knowing that whenever you use a service, you don't have to worry about any extra costs.
Yeah.
So that's what it basically means. That's what a co-payment, a deductible in the US. That's the equivalent.
Okay, brilliant. And we've got a question from Sylvia in the comment section. She says she managed to get health cover for a year so that she could get residency here, but now can't get cover because of pre-existing health conditions. Is there an alternative or someone that could help with that?
Well, I could help her if she wanted to contact me. The only thing is that it depends on the pre-existing condition. So it's not really a black and white situation. Everyone has their own situation, their own conditions. It does depend on the age, the weight, if they have other types of the combination of conditions for every application. So they all have to go through a separate assessment, an individual assessment through the risk assessment department at centrals of each company. So it will depend. So she should definitely get in touch with me.
Yeah, so Sylvia, there's a number for Areti in the comment section there. If you just scroll down there, there's a new number for her. You can contact her there for that. So Areti, tell us a little bit more about these the insurances that you offer for us.
Okay, well, I work for Sanitas, which is the largest health insurance company in Spain. It's associated to Bupa, which is, I'm sure, a lot of your audience is familiar with. Yep. It's quite big in the UK and also Australia, and also Canada, I think. And it's been a company that's been around since the 50s. It's an old company. We only do health, which is great because we specialize in private health insurance. We don't do other types of insurance, except for funeral, of course. And we offer full cover plans. Basically, we attend all clients, even if they want a top-up service coverage, like basic coverage. But also we do visa-compatible policies. Actually, we have a huge chunk of our clients are not even non-Spanish speaking and foreign clients, which means that we do have a lot of our services adapted to English speaking. Yep. So we have tons of doctors that speak English, professionals, nurses in our labs, our dental network. So we also have dental, so it's not only health. So yeah, we do offer that comprehensive service to people, even if they don't speak Spanish. Brilliant.
Okay, that's great. And Rita in the comment section has also asked about affordable health plan for pre-existing conditions. So again, that's a personal thing. You need to get in touch with Areti. It is possible, depending on the condition, obviously, you know.
Yeah, of course. So she should definitely get in touch with me, and we'll review her case, and if necessary, we'll go through an assessment. So again, it's no obligation. She can just check and see if she could get through the assessment, and then she can decide if she wants to move through with it. What sometimes happens, and this I get a lot of questions about diabetes, if you don't mind me sharing. So whenever I have a client with diabetes, just to clarify that, because that's a very frequently asked question.
Sure, yeah.
When a client has diabetes, but not really something else with it, like say combination of high blood pressure and cholesterol and diabetes, then that is an automatic no. And if it's only diabetes and nothing else, the company always offers an added premium. So it would be the quote, say, that I would give you as my client, as offer you as a client, and then going through the assessment, the risk assessment department, if they see that the client just has diabetes and nothing else, they do say, okay, we'll insure you 100%, but your added premium would be, for example, for diabetes in this case, up until now, it's been €15 per month per person with that condition.
We'll be back with Areti after this one. You're listening to The Right Way with me, David Wright, and I've got a live guest on the show today. I've got Areti, a health insurance expert. Oasis and Wonderwall there. That's for Areti, our live guest today, whose birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday for tomorrow, Areti. Areti, so dental plans. Somebody's asked about dental plans as well. You cover dental, is that correct?
Yeah, we do have the dental included in all full cover plans, so that's great, because typically in Spain, dental insurance is something separate than health insurance, so it's great that it has it. And what we do have is a large network of dentists and collaborating dentists. So we have over 220 of our own dental clinics with Sanitas, and they're spread across the whole of Spain, not only Madrid and Barcelona. You have towns in Alicante, Malaga, Valencia, everywhere. And also we do have collaborating dentists. The same goes with our medical network, so thousands of private clinics and our own, of course, hospitals in Madrid and Barcelona.
Okay, and somebody's asked me if they need anything done and they've got a health insurance and they need it done, do they get sent to a hospital that is near them, or is it specific hospitals?
Yeah. Well, we have. Obviously, you have to work in Spain. Private health insurance work says that when you sign up with a company, you can only go inside network. Unless we do have options. If you want to add on reimbursement plans, you can, in order to go to any place you want to do, will go and then get a reimbursement. That's a possibility, but that's not incorporated in the plan, the core plan. So that's something extra if you want to add it. But typically everyone, at least my clients, have been very happy with their network because there's always a doctor near them.
Sure.
And they can always see someone for even a complex operation. They don't have to travel up to Madrid for an operation or something. They always have someone in their area, in their province.
Are these hospitals general hospitals, or are they private hospitals?
They're private hospitals that have a collaboration agreement with Sanitas. So in this case, they have it for all specialists. For any kind of thing that you may need. They're not just general hospitals.
Okay, well, thanks very much for joining us today on the show, Areti. To all the listeners, get in touch with Areti. She'll give you a free consultation. The details are in the comment section now, or you can go over and you can see I've done a few videos with Areti in the past over on my YouTube channel. That is on davidwrightonline.com, davidwrightonline.com, and get in touch with Areti for your free health cover insurance quote now. Thanks very much, Areti, and enjoy your birthday tomorrow.
Thank you so much, David. Nice to talk to you.
All the best. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.